Hi, little Bunnies. Can you see me? Oops, where did my head go? Can you tell me where's my head? Oops, bad guess. I was right, hiding and tricked you with my hairband. I hope you enjoyed New Year Eve and the festivals Lodi, Pongal and Makar Sankranti. Today, we are going to learn a fun and interesting new topic. It's computers, hardware and software. So I hope you watched the video I made on parts of a computer. If not, please do. The links are in the description below. Aren't you excited? So, let's get started. So before we start learning, let me tell you some exciting facts. Here's an interesting fact. Devices have been used in calculations in thousands of years. And you know what is one of the devices? It's an abacus. If you don't know what an abacus, the picture's right here. Abacuses have been used since ancient times. And you know what? They're still in use today. Let's hop to another interesting fact. Hop! Do you know? Charles Babbage, an English mechanical engineer known as the father of computer, he invented the first mechanical computer in the 19th century. This is a very interesting fact. Very, very interesting. What? Do you know modern computers were as a size of a thumb? But around 1943 and 1946, computers were so big, it took up a whole room of space. Imagine a whole room of space. Now, little buns, you know some very, very interesting facts. Do share them with your family and friends. I'm sure they'll be equally excited to know these facts. Let's hop to our topic. Computer, hardware and software. What is a hardware? The physical parts of a computer or components. For example, a monitor, a keyboard, a mouse and a CPU. Hardwares are divided into the following categories: input devices, output devices, storage devices and processing devices. What are input devices? Input devices are devices which send information to the computer like a mouse. A mouse has a position of the arrow and also tells you which button is clicked. And the keyboard sends information to the computer by pressing the keys. So, another type of a hardware is an output device. You know guys, what is an output device? No? Right? Let me tell you. An output device is a device that show information to the user like a screen and a printer. Let me show you another device which will clarify this. Do you know guys, what is this? It's a TV remote. What does a TV remote do? You choose the channel and you watch it on the TV. And what is this? An input device. Oops! Did you forget something? What is a TV? It's like a monitor. Don't you remember? It's an output device. Now let's go to the other type of hardware. It is storage devices. Storage devices are any devices which store information like a hard disk and a pen drive. They are storage devices. And they are also called as memory of the computer. Next is processing devices. Processing devices are devices which process information inside the computer. CPU is one of them. I hope you understand the 4 types of hardware: input devices, output devices, storage devices and processing devices. Now, let's hop to software. What is software? Software is instructions or program run by a hardware on the computer. What sort of softwares are you using for your online classes? Oops, That's right. It's Zoom and WebEx. Those are the softwares you guys must use for your online classes. Other examples are YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram and Twitter. There are two types of software, application software and system software. What is a system software? System software is the software which we use to start or run a computer system or the network. For example, operating system, Windows 10, Linux, iOS, Android, etc. What is the application software? Application software is the software which computer use to perform different tasks. For example, Zoom, WebEx, YouTube, etc. Zoom is used for video conferencing, and so is WebEx. YouTube is to watch some fun videos. So guys, let's summarize hardware and software in a fun way. Can a pen write? Yes, it can. But can it write without ink? No. Okay, if you have ink and not a pen, can you write? No. Same, the hardware and software should be together to make a good computing system. Let's revise all of this in a small story. You're typing something on Microsoft Word, and what is Microsoft Word? That's right, it's an application software. And you're using the help of the keyboard and mouse to type. What is the keyboard and mouse? That's right, it's an input device. Good job. And whatever you're typing, you can see it on the computer screen. And what is the computer screen? That's right, it's an output device. And the CPU is processing everything. And what is the CPU? That's right, it's a processing device. I hope you enjoyed this video, and as always, like, subscribe and share. So, enjoy this? Wait for my other videos. Now, where's my sign book? Oops, it's right under this hairband. I'm signing off for the day. So, bye-bye. Where's that sign off?